Hello, friends. Did Jesus represent mankind on the cross? The answer is partly yes, but he did not represent mankind to the Father. You see, Jesus was certainly a representative figure on the cross, but he represented sin to God, he represented God to man, and he represented man to man. At no point did he represent humanity to God. You see, it was man who required a sacrifice from God. It was the only way we would see him rightly. Humanity held itself hostage. The ransom we demanded was to see a God who was better than his creation. A God that would give and not take, love and not hate, help and not hurt. The cross showed us this God, one that would step down from his throne, enter a hostile environment, and allow mankind to have his way with him like a little sacrificial lamb. No human ever dreamed our Creator could be so good. We always believed him to be a lion. He showed us that he is a lamb. Godspeed, my friends. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, he's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.